So this is how you can completely erase the iPhone. Before we get started, ensure you are subscribed to the Foxtecc channel so you don't miss anything important. So a lot of people try to delete their apps manually or photos or whatever, but the best way to ensure that everything is gone from it is by going to the settings, general section, then at the bottom we have the transfer or reset iPhone menu, so you go there. And at the bottom entirely, we have erase all content and settings. And when you tap there, it's going to let you know what's really going on. So you will delete the apps and the data, which includes every single app installed on your phone and data like all of your photos, videos, contacts, and files like PDFs, documents, whatever it might be, it will all be gone. Then there is the Apple account, which you'll need to confirm with your password, but will also be deleted. Then you have the Find My Activation Log, which is like a security feature. This will be turned off as well. And it also applies to your Apple Wallet. So if you have any cards like, debit or credit cards in your wallet that you use to pay, you don't have to worry about that because it will also be cleared from the phone if you perform this step. So it is a pretty serious step. Make sure you do it when your phone is backed up or you already have a new phone or something, but this step will completely wipe your phone, which is something I assume you want to do. So let me know if it worked for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later in the next videos.